We've seen a lot of current customers which have popped by, recognise the brand and come to say hello. Really good to put some names to faces, and new guys that have either heard of us or even not heard of us, really interested in the solution and what we can do for them. So it's been great.
We effectively met a few new customers, and well, it's not for immediate business, but we are reasonably hopeful with business that could arrive, let's say, on a medium-term basis. But we are confident it will happen.
Yep, so we've engaged with some potential new leads, some new, and also some existing leads that we're looking to progress further. So that the opportunity to meet with them here has been a great thing for us, especially being on our home airfield of Farnborough.
Yeah, for sure. We had a couple of good days. So we met people from the island, obviously, but from the EMS industry that I wouldn't have been in contact with otherwise. And we are focusing now on the new clothing for ambulance, especially the red and green here. So we're getting some good attention for that.